Hey guys, we made it out to the Ida auction house. This is Rich's Mowers and Blowers. Psh. Let's go ahead and take a peek. What's in this little nifty one? So we'll wait to the end of the video and we'll show you. We have a Murray with a 300 series on there, just a regular standard push mower. We have a little gas tank there with the gas pump. Always comes in handy if you need to go somewhere and put some gas somewhere. What do we got in all these boxes? Mystery boxes. What's in there? I don't know, Rich. A lot of stuff written on them. Ooh, some glassware. No, some more glassware. We have the Houdini barrel. It is October. Can escape out of that barrel there. Oh, a Ryobi 31cc, 180 mile per hour. Here's a little Johnson motor. Goes on the back of a boat. Christmas lights be coming up that time of the year. Looks like some lights you could put on a little trailer. Has the plug and everything hooked right up to it. Nice. What do we got in here? McCullough 14-inch saw blade and some parts. That could come in handy for some extra parts for somebody. What is this thing here? Looks interesting. Not sure what that is. Always fun to dig through some tools, see what they got. Lots and lots of tools out here, guys. Saws. Can't go wrong with some tools. Ooh, this is a jackpot here. Look at all this good stuff. If you need a screw or a bolt, you can probably find it in here, and it's loaded. I haven't found an empty drawer yet. Lots of them. Lots of good stuff. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. All kinds of good stuff in there. We got a toolbox over here with the key. That is nice. Look at the sockets. It's loaded, guys. It's loaded. Metric. Standard. See that? Metric standard, that's how you do it. Pliers and cutters. Yeah, this one is definitely loaded. All kinds of good stuff in here. There you go, autographed. More toolboxes. And they're loaded too. Lots of them. Got a little bit of water left over. It did rain. So hopefully it doesn't rain anymore. Seems always to be the wet auction. So we'll start nicknaming it the wet auction. Here's a cooler. A rototiller. 5 horsepower Briggs & Stratton. Looks like a Troy build or something. It's red, at least. See if it'll pull over. Oh yeah. Almost started. Air compressor back there. Ooh, an air hose. Wonder to keep an eye out on that one. Looks like a nice one. Tools. Cow. There you go, a turkey fryer. That's coming up. Drop that turkey down in there. Here's a saw, Craftsman. Let's see if it's in there. Oh, it's empty. But you got the earphones. Got some more stuff back here. Look at that. Another one loaded up with all kinds of good stuff. Saw. Is this how you keep them in there? That's how they did that. So they drilled some holes in the top of this 55-gallon Brute Rubbermaid. And that's how you keep your stuff. Pretty nifty, huh? Rakes and tools. Can always find something. We got them bicycles out here. Christmas decorations. There's a Rudolph. Happy holidays. Alright guys, so did a little sneak a peek. Let's see what's in this case over here. See some horseshoes on it. It's empty. Well, it has a ball hitch on there with no ball on it. There goes a mold trap. A couple mold traps. Some more horseshoes. Table saw. Another Remington saw. It's corded. Fishing toolbox. A little bit of stuff in there, not too much. A toboggan. Hey guys, thanks for joining me on this sneak a peek here at the Ida Auction House. This is Rich's Mowers and Blowers. Psh! And we'll see you at the auction. propane torch.